Welcome, loyal fans of the channel. I'm your host, Cupid. On today's show, we've got a special treat for you. Introducing Momax Matchmaker. We all know how difficult it can be to find that perfect match. Countertop match, that is. Worry no more as we introduce you to all the countertop options. We'll find that perfect love match for you. So let's go ahead and meet today's contestants. If you really like Cupid's natural beauty, I'd like to introduce you to a natural beauty, Granite. And introducing a countertop that is very smooth, just like Cupid's smooth pickup lines, quartz. And introducing a countertop that is sensitive to the touch, marble. And introducing a countertop that can handle just about any pressure, Decton. Introducing Granite.
Oh, thank you. It's a pleasure to be here. I've been around since the dinosaurs, literally. But I think I'm ready to finally settle down and have a place to call home and be loved for another million years.
You mentioned your age earlier. Would you say your age is an advantage or a disadvantage?
Oh, advantage for sure. I've been around for so long, and I'm still here. I get my natural good looks from my mama, Mother Earth. Maybe you've heard of her.
So why should we choose you?
Since I was created outside, naturally, I love long walks on the beach.
Introducing Quartz.
Thanks, Cupid Sal. Excited to explore the world of love and compatibility. My heart may be non-porous stone, but I'm ready to let the love in.
Quartz, how would you describe your style?
Well, I'm not your average countertop. With my engineered perfection, I bring luxury, sophistication, and durability to any space.
So why should we choose you?
I know I'm the perfect match. With my color, pattern, texture, and durability, I'll prove it to you.
Introducing the fabulous Decton.
What's good? I'm so pumped to be here. I may be the newest surface to the countertop world, but I am definitely the Riz. Stains and scratches have nothing on me.
All right, Decton, can we find you indoor or outdoor?
Both. If you're into bussin' dinners, culinary adventures, or getting booed up on a sturdy foundation, inside or out, then I'm your perfect match.
So why should we choose you?
Well, Cupid Sal, I'm the best of all worlds. I can handle all your bougie needs, and I'm not afraid of getting caught in the rain.
And introducing that one-of-a-kind love, Marble.
Hi, I'm Marble. What else do you need to know?
Marble is notorious for scratching and staining. What do you have to say about that?
I'm Marble.
So, what was the perfect countertop option for you? Which was the ideal match for you? Don't forget to drop us a comment and let us know. And don't forget to visit our wholesale partners or stop in our showroom. We look forward to treating you. And you never know, you might see Cupid.